In this short video, I'm going to show you how to change homepage in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor, and once it loads up, I want you to focus on the side menu on the left-hand side of the screen right here. From here, I want you to click on the third button down, which says Pages and Menu, and this will display all the different pages that are currently on your website. So if you already have the page they want to make your new homepage, simply find it from this list right here, or if you don't, click on Add Page and basically create a new page. So in my case, I want to make my older online page my new home page. So what I need to do now is hover over it, and then these three lines, oh not three lines, the three dots are going to appear. Click on this button, and then right here you can see that there is an option that says set as home page. Click on that, and within a few seconds your Wix website will update and your older online page, in my case, will become my homepage. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to change homepage in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.